So I might be good on this after these hills. I don't know if you can hear the chains there. Looks like I may have a broken link there. Other than that, everything else is good. Yep, definitely a lot of ice here. For all you drivers out there saying you wouldn't chain up and something like this when the sign said chains required, I don't know, man, because there's a DOT officer back there just checking everybody's stuff out, making sure they're putting on chains. So you're telling me you're gonna blow right past them and risk getting a $500 ticket? Nah, I don't think so, but I don't blame you. I don't blame you, because I wouldn't either. That's why I got chains on. Lots of ice today. They just had a snowstorm yesterday. And in fact, right now, there's a winter storm advisory going on. See, it would be a good spot to take off chains right here, but still icy. Still got some hills up ahead. Still driving on this ice, as you can see. Pure ice. I'm not even to Bozeman yet. I had to chain up twice. And look, as you can see on the other side, it looks like somebody might have slid off the road a little bit. Yikes. Appears everybody's okay though. Well, that's good. Ain't no joke out here today. This is the worst I've ever seen it as far as the roads go. Out here in Montana. Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. Pretty gnarly. But I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace. Day 2, still in Montana, on our way back home, headed westbound on I-90. Roads are looking a little bit better. Still some black ice in spots. Stay out of that left lane though. Don't want to be in that lane. Temperature is 4 degrees out. Nice and steady. I think we'll keep it at the speed we're at now. We still got about, I don't know, about 355 miles to go. Maybe a little bit more. Nice little trip. Supposed to be running up into a lot of snow up ahead here. Can't really tell if it's snowing right now. It doesn't really look like it, but it kind of does. It's really windy out. So that's probably wind blowing around the snow. Still got to climb over Lookout Pass and 4th of July. Lots of snow during this winter storm warning. We got some trucks coming over here to my left, coming to pass me here shortly. But you know, I'm not trying to go fast on this snow here. Pretty good speed, about 40 miles per hour. Slow and steady wins the race, as I always say. I'll let these guys pass me if that's what they want to do. Super truckers. Seems like it's getting worse and worse the higher we climb up here. And as you can see as well, it's snowing. So that's pretty cool. At least I can see the pavement a little bit. It's nice. They got some sand down. Montana does not like to use de-icer for some reason. And as soon as we get over to the Idaho side, should be a lot more clear. Should be is the key word. As far as Jake brake goes, I usually use between 1 and 2. Just depends. Like this corner here, I'll use number 1, just because I know it's pretty slick. If I had to, actually, I just let off the gas. But yeah, usually you don't want to use it going like as you're turning, you know. Try to do it before. Like right now, it's not really ideal to use it unless you absolutely have to. But there's another turn coming up here. And so like right now you could use it since it's straight. That would be good. And again, going into the turn here, it's not ideal to use your to use your Jakes. In the snow, that is.